Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hidayah binti Muhammad Zakafli. My matric number 25902. Today I want to present my individual project, which is debtors and creditors management system. Okay, let me start. First, we need to register. Nurul Daya. My name Nurul Daya. Then my phone number is my email address, my password 123. Okay. You are registered successfully. First we log in. Nurul Daya. Password 123. Yeah, save. Okay, I go to my dashboard. Okay, this is my home. This is my dashboard. First, I want to enter my debtor detail. Fatin Najiha. Enter phone number. Enter pay amount 1000. Enter paid 500. Enter date 2000. Enter date paid. That's okay. Submit. Okay. New debtor inserted successful. View inserted debtor. This is my record for debtors. So I want to edit. I want to Fatin Najiha Anwar. Let's see. Okay. Then I want to update. Yeah, record updated successful. Okay, view updated record. So if I want to delete, I can delete. Okay. Go to home, then dashboard, creditors. So I want to insert my new creditor debt record. Ini, enter phone number. Enter amount 1,200. Enter amount paid 200. Enter date. So I will submit. Then new creditor inserted successful. So this is my record. So if I want to edit, Aini Raza. Then I update, view update record. Then if I want to delete, yeah, I can delete my record. So I go to home, my dashboard, payment debtor, Fatin, enter due date, total. But I cannot because error, so I cannot view my record for the payment debtors. Dashboard for payment creditor, also same. Raihana. The amount creditors. So can view my record and to update and to edit, because there are some error in my payment creditors. Okay. Dashboard. I want to log out. It's my icon here. Okay, Nurul Daya. Login. Dashboard. Okay, this is my information for debtor and creditors. Total outstanding amount. There are problems. I cannot view. Yeah, I cannot view my pie chart. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.